in this video, we are going to talk about how to find a mentor for real estate. Hey guys, welcome back to the David Dodge Show. In this video, we are going to talk about how to find a mentor for real estate. And this is actually incredibly simple to do. Okay, so how to find a mentor for real estate, the way I've done it in the past is I've gone to my local real estate investment clubs. All right, these are also kind of referred to as REIAs, R-E-I-A, and that stands for Real Estate Investment Association. So you can actually go online and you can type in REIAs near me, or even go to REIA.com and find these local clubs that are specific to real estate investing. Another great place to find these local clubs is on meetup.com. Again, that is meetup.com. Go on there and find groups, right? Find local groups that are going to be in your proximity. So somewhere you can go and drive to. Sometimes they may even do virtual events, but find these groups that are specific to the topic that you are interested in. So how to find a mentor for real estate is such a broad question. Are you looking to find a mentor for wholesaling? Are you looking to find a mentor for fixing and flipping? Are you looking to find a mentor to become a landlord and to have rental properties? Or are you looking to find a mentor to be a better real estate agent or broker and to build a team, right? So there's lots of ways, and that's only just a couple from the hip. But the best way to find a mentor for any and all things real estate is to head on over to meetup.com or the local REIAs and find these groups, right? Find people that are getting together, and they're getting together weekly or monthly, sometimes quarterly, and go join the group. Become a member and start going on Tuesday nights or on Thursday nights every other week or whenever they meet, and meet the people that are there. And a lot of times there's going to be typically between 30 and 50% of the people there that are brand new. So you're going to fit right on in. But then what you're going to find is half the people at these groups are going and they've been in real estate for 5 or for 10 or for 15 years. And they're excellent at wholesaling or fix and flipping or, doing the landlord play, buying rental properties. Or maybe they're an agent or a brokerage that has a ton of agents and they are looking to help you. They might even be looking to recruit you. And if they recruit you, they'll probably train you for free. But if you are looking for something more specific, right? So how to find a mentor for real estate, and let's say you're specific for investing, then go find these guys in the group and ask them to be your mentor. Literally, it's that easy. You just have to have the ability and the confidence to ask them if they were willing to do that. And typically what I do, or what I have done in the past, is I lead with value, guys. I will go out and I'll find somebody that is killing it at wholesaling or fix and flipping or landlording, and I'll say, hey, I want to be in your circle. I want to be able to talk with you, and I want you to be my mentor. If you have a program, I want more information. And a lot of times these individuals, they have masterminds and they have coaching programs. In fact, we have one. And if you want to learn more about that one, click the link below this video, right? But go meet these guys. Often they will have programs that they sell and you can buy them or buy into them, and it is literally that easy. Other scenarios, I've gone and I've met people and I've said, listen, I want you to mentor me. And they say, yeah, I'm not really interested in doing the mentoring, or I don't have a group that I would be willing to sell at this point. So then what you can do is you can lead with the value, and you can say, cool, well, what would it take for me to, be able to pick your brain for 30 minutes a week or an hour a week, but I don't want to just come ask you to be able to pick your brain. What do you need from me, from me? How can I help? How can I create value? So maybe that means, going and putting out bandit signs for them, on Friday or Saturday night, and then being able to go take them to lunch, Wednesdays or whatever that case is. Or maybe you can go in their office and actually help them, with their business, maybe do some cold calling or file some papers or do anything that you can to provide value to them. Because when you provide value to them, they're going to respect that and they're going to be grateful for that. And in exchange, they're going to want to sit down with you and answer all those questions and show you how the business works. And in fact, most of the time, it is incredibly simple. But if you don't know, then you don't know. Okay? So number one, how to find a mentor for real estate. I would highly suggest find a local club or group. Go, join, meet everybody there. Find out who is crushing it and ask them, do they have a program? Are they interested? And or how can I bring you value? How can I provide you value so then I can actually get some mentorship or some coaching in exchange? That would be number one. Number two is go online and Google, real estate coach or real estate mentor near me. And again, you're going to probably find people that are selling courses or they're selling coaching programs, but that's okay. We sell courses. We sell coaching programs. In fact, I have coaches and I continue to buy other people's courses because I am constantly wanting to educate myself and better myself and learn more tips and tricks and strategies and ways to build my wealth using real estate, guys. So don't overthink it. Number one, networking. Number two, go online, Google wholesaling coach in Missouri or in St. Louis or whatever city you're in, or fix and flip coach, or so on and so forth. And you're going to find people that are offering these products, these courses, and these programs. Again, if you're interested in learning wholesaling and or the BRRRR strategy, we have a coaching program. It's more of a mastermind, but of course it's a program for coaching that we sell and offer. And we also have some courses. Again, that information will be down below this video, but I don't want you to overthink it, okay? You need to provide value to somebody in exchange for them to become your mentor or coach most of the time. Now, can you meet somebody that's willing to do it for free? Of course, but don't go into that relationship expecting that, right? So try to lead with value, and you can do so and meet all of these individuals, all of these investors at these local REIAs or these local meetups. And when you go to meetup.com, type in your city and type in real estate. And if you want to get specific, you can type in fix and flip or wholesaling or landlord or brokerage or agent, so on and so forth. And if you aren't able to lead with value, then ask them if they sell a program. They may have a coaching or mentorship program that they offer. And it could be for several weeks. It could be for several months. Our program lasts an entire year because we want to lead with value and we love helping people. So again, that would be the two ways that I would recommend to, find yourself a real estate mentor. So get online, check out meetup.com, check out REIA.com, and also just start Googling. Find the big players in your market. See if these guys have programs or courses. If not, reach out to them and offer to buy them lunch or dinner or even a cup of coffee. And I'll tell you why I suggest you reaching out that way. Whenever somebody hits me up on social media and they say, hey, Dave, I want to pick your brain. Do you think I'm motivated to go meet that person? They didn't lead with any value. They didn't provide any value to me. They're actually asking me to go out of my way for no payment to be able to pick my brain. So I don't typically respond to those people, or I will, and I'll be polite and I'll just say, yeah, I'm not really interested in doing this for free, and or I'm really, really busy. Maybe you can come to me, something along those lines. But if somebody reaches out to me and they say, hey, Dave, I've been following you for a long time and I've listened to your podcast and I purchased one of your books already. And, I really want to see if I can buy you coffee, right? Hey, that's great. They're leading with value. They want to meet. I can tell they want to pick my brain, but they didn't come out openly and say that's the goal for them. Instead, they want to provide me value. So not only would they say, hey, I want to buy you coffee, but they may say, hey, I want to help you find that next rental, which I'm all over. Hell yeah. Help me find that next rental, right? Or, hey, Dave, I want to get some coffee with you. My treat I'll buy. And, maybe we can sit down and talk a little bit about wholesaling so I can maybe go get my first deal, but at the same time, maybe try to find you what you're looking for. Boom. That right there is going to make me and every other real estate investor or coach or mentor get excited, because now we're having the ability to help somebody that actually sees value in it. All right. Very, very, very important. I think the most important thing, though, is get off the couch, get out into these investment clubs and into these areas where you have the ability to network. I cannot stress this enough. Networking is the most important thing. Why? Because you don't want to keep your business a secret. And in fact, some of the people that I have mentored over the years have grown, and now they have their own mentoring programs. In fact, I love mentoring. A lot of people do as well. But the thing is it's time consuming. So it's not something that you're typically going to get for free. But you can offset that by just providing value to somebody else in exchange for some of their time, guys. This is so incredibly basic. So get off the couch, find the local real estate club, head on over, start shaking hands, smile big, and make some friends. And then from there, ask them if they're willing to mentor you. And if not, see what you can do to provide value. And some of these guys will already have mentorship programs, and they will just give you the access or the ability to join. And it is simple as that. Don't overthink it, guys. Get out there and meet these people and ask them to be your mentor. Signing off.